Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture smaller file size in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and click this picture drop down menu and choose this device. Now go to your picture file location, click desktop on. You can see here are my picture. Now right click on picture, now check this picture file size, click on properties. Now you can see here the picture size is 3.57 MB. Now insert this picture. Now select this picture and go to picture format menu. Now click this compress picture. Now you can see here are email 96 ppi minimize document size for sharing. Now check on it, check mark on it and press OK. Now you can now save this picture. Right click on picture and click save as picture. Now save as my desktop. Now rename this picture. Then press OK. Now check on this picture file size. Right click on this picture and go to properties. Now you can see the file size is 77.7 KB. You can see first picture properties. This is 3.57 MB. You can see I make picture smaller file size in Microsoft PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for